second thing is if you bought calls that were up here early this morning,
Yeah.
because it pulled down so hard, that's why you never made money.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, and that's the power of contracts, right? If you bought calls in here and it did
Mm-hmm.
all of this, it's going to take until you come up to around here or here before that's a break even because it lost all of its value on this pull.
Got it.
Yep.
So it was like time decay thing.
It's not really just a time decay thing. That's how contracts work. Anytime they go against you, they hammer your face and see how it's never come back to where you paid.
No, I got my money back, but I didn't make any money.
Right.
So,
So
mhm.
this whole time in here, right? That means it's burning the contract. It's ruining your call, right? So
Got it.
all of this is killing your contract. It's just literally eating it away. The longer your contract is not going in your position or your favor, the more the next time when it comes up, say you bought your contract on this line,
Yeah,
now it's got to be up here before it even breaks even because
exactly.
this killed the whole thing.
Yep. All right. Thanks for that.
Yep, you're welcome. That's the
Uh,
problem with contracts. When they go against you, they eat your face off. When they go with you, they just barely move. Unless they're, big pops out of the gate. And of course, if it expired today, you will get time decay because today's the last day. So the closer to 3 o'clock today, the more it's going to eat it.
I had it for next week actually, but still
Yeah,
didn't.
it wasn't time decay. It was literally just because it did all this.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yep. Now, just
Mm-hmm.
like that, the longer it would just stay up here and sit up higher, the
Mm-hmm.
more valuable it would become to you because that means the longer it stays up above where you paid, then it will continuously increase the value. But this whole thing wrecked it.
Yeah, I was in a recovery mode, so I don't care
Yeah.
about the profits at this point. I just wanted
Yep.
my money back. So
Yep. No, it's
I'm
perfect. I
happy. Yeah.
understand. And way to be patient. You at least broke even, right?
Yes,
Yeah, good
definitely.
job. Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
Yeah,
And
here's your lesson out of this though, right? You ready?
mhm, yeah.
You shouldn't have held it through all of this. If you bought it here, none of this should be you.
Okay.
That's a no-no.
All right.
So when you bought it up here and it broke down below VWAP,
Mm-hmm.
what's the rule?
We sell. Yeah.
Yep, there's no reason to be here because what could have happened is it could have stayed down here under VWAP and this would have continued to get lower and lower and lower and lower and you're still waiting for it to come back. There's no reason to be in that trade.
Yeah, I was planning to hold it for next week, but then when you
Oh,
told a
I
guy,
got you.
actually, I
Yeah.
was hitting a guy that a guy asked if you
Okay.
could hold for next week, and then you said
The
no
time decay.
because
Yeah.
each
Yep.
day will be like 15%
Oh
loss.
yeah. 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 Big time. Yep.
So I just I waited to sell it.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Good deal. Good deal.
Yeah.
Just remember, if you were planning on holding till next week, we don't buy a week out because that's called a lotto. How far do we buy out?
90 days.
There you go. And if you don't, time decay is just going to wreck your soul. So that's a lotto. Be ready to throw it in the trash, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good job.
Thank you.
You got it.